Hey, have you ever wanted to design your own characters, but you don't know from where to start? Have you ever felt stuck while designing your character? Like it just feels that something's wrong. The character just don't want to pop up. Maybe there is some key that you are missing, something that will take your characters to a whole new level. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps of creating an incredible character designs. And also, you'll learn a special character design system that will make your design process much easier. By the way, my name is Arseni, I'm a concept artist working in the game industry, and this valuable knowledge got me hired at AAA Studio. When I firstly started to create my own characters, I just went to Pinterest and started to search for cool character designs. Nothing's wrong, right? And this was my greatest mistake. See, Pinterest is full of cool stuff, but here's the problem. It bombards you with a million of different ideas, leaving you overwhelmed and stuck in front of the blank canvas. So what should we do instead? If we want to create an outstanding character design, we should start with intention. But what does it even mean? We don't want to design mindlessly, so I always start with writing down all the personality traits of the character. Let's say we want to create a cyberpunk ninja girl, an agile assassin who can get any work done for the cash. Sorry, I'm just very excited about this character. She's main weapon is kunai, a Japanese throwing knife. I also like to describe her appearance to be even more specific. Now, let's start to build our character design system that will help us to create an awesome design. And that's where today's sponsor comes into play, Milanote. Milanote is my go-to app to organize my creative chaos into beautifully structured projects. This digital board lets you throw everything in: sketches, notes, references, and even as 3D models that you can rotate and use as an advanced references. And all of this in one place. With Milanote, your ideas never slip away. You can sketch directly on the board, write notes on images, and keep track of everything. Before gathering all the specific references, I always create one of the most overlooked but crucial things: mood board. With the mood board, I try to achieve overall feel of the character. In other words, the mood. With Milanote's drag and drop functionality, you can quickly add images to your mood board, group them by theme, and more important, see how things connect visually. I even like to add the rough color palette picked from references. So now we have the basic sense of direction for our character design. The next crucial step is to create what I call a brief board. It's the main board where all the character details come together. Descriptions, sketches, and I also like to add a progress checklist to keep me motivated. And the best part, Milanote lets you create organized subboards for specific themes. For character design, I create poses board for different anatomy references, clothes board to work with an outfit, face board, and color palettes. It's like having a personal reference library at your fingertips. This very organized way helps you to save your time and not get lost in tons of different materials while you're creating your character. So, if you are looking for a way to bring order to your artistic chaos and build your own character design system, the link in the description lets you sign up to Milanote for free and with no time limit. So check it out. Okay, we've set our intention and we know exactly what do we want from our design. Now let's get into the core of character design. A common mistake for beginners is drawing one sketch and calling it a day. But that's like building a house on a very shaky foundation. Listen, to create a truly awesome design, we need to explore multiple options. First, let's draw poses. Think of poses as a character personality, but in motion. Now this is what's important. To capture the essence of character, I always sketch at least 3 different poses. At this stage, I experiment with dynamic, static, and everything in between. This will help you to discover the perfect stance that shows your character's spirit. I wanted playful and deadly ninja, so I fell in love with this running and dangerous pose. And I've picked it for the next step. If you find this video valuable, I'd love to share more knowledge with you. Subscribe to join the journey. Once you've chosen a pose, it's time to dress your character. But to get the best design, we need something to pick from. So I mix and match styles, colors, accessories, and can you see where I'm going? Yes, I sketch at least 3 different outfit options. By the way, which one would you choose? Write the number in the comments. But we are not done yet. The magic happens in iteration. Take your favorite outfit sketch and explore different variations. Change the color, adjust the sleeves, play with proportions, and so on. The perfect outfit should always enhance your character's personality. So I've picked the second one, because I just like this street cyberpunk outfit. And these flying bells give even more wild feel to our ninja. Wait, but what about the next step? The color. With the color we can emphasize the mood of the character. A bold and vibrant color scheme can show the energy, while a muted palette can create a mysterious atmosphere. With these things in mind, I've made these 6 options. You don't have to create that much, 3 is more than enough. And I've picked something close to original and oriental ninja outfit. So my girl can be stealthy. Now when you pick the color, it is the time for the final scary boss. The render. Actually, it's not that scary as it seems to be. We all heard the myth that detailed rendering is always necessary. Don't worry, this is not true. See, while a detailed render can be impressive for illustrations and splash art, it's not always essential. Sometimes a simple line art or a basic color fill with shadow can be just as effective. In my case, I just used a simple color fill, added medium and dark shadow, a light on the hair, because it's a portrait zone, and the only thing that I rendered properly is breast, because we all love rendered breasts. It's like rendered eyes, but better. If the design is great, the character will stand out even with a very simple render. So don't overdo it, especially if it's your personal project. It's better to spend spare time to create another character and gain skills. Your character design system will work great if you know how to construct the character in the right way. So watch this next.